So here's the washer fluid reservoir, and in removing the other parts under there, I ended up, due to the corrosion, the nut broke the stud off of the support, and getting it out, it split the tank. I'm not concerned about that, but I'm not sure what to do. I think what I'm going to try first is grinding this flush and then drilling and tapping for maybe M6 or an M5 stud. But let's go try that. Let's go try first grinding it down and then drilling a hole. I need to get a new M6 tap. M6x1. This one will work, but it's getting a little sloppy. Well, let's go grab something to chamfer that, and then we'll try an M6 screw. Flush it out real quick. I had a chamfer tool. What happened to it? There we go. So now I'm gonna need something that is maybe about half of that longer. That's about 18. So 30. Go with 30. 30 millimeter, either a screw that I can cut off or a stud. I've got a stud, but they're way too long. I just tapped and extended the thread on this and cut it off. Now I just want to file the edge down and chamfer it so it'll start. Oh yeah, that should start okay. Now, get all the grease off of it. I'm gonna grab some red thread locker. It'll work. I just need to let that thread locker cure overnight. That will lock it in there. That's the next fun part. Getting this in here and sealing it back up. Get all the crap out of it first. All the rust. Woo! There goes the lid. That's slightly flammable. let that cool completely. And then we'll see if it leaks. If it leaks, then this is going to get slathered with silicone. Well, that's not coming out. Let me plug this up and we'll fill it up with water. It is full completely. I'll make sure I don't see any drips coming down.
2 hours later.
Well, I would say that is water trapped in there, and then I'm going to let it dry completely over probably a week, and then I'm going to seal around with silicone just for extra leak protection. I think that'll hold.